Hey guys, RealMcCoy411 and welcome back to my channel. I'm excited. So I did a wash and go on my hair. Just using some mousse, okay? And I'm really loving the fact that my hair is growing the way it is growing. So all I had up here was two twists in the front, and I'm getting ready to put up some rope twists. This mousse right here is called Vigorol mousse, and I just shampooed my hair. I have the pomegranate leave-in conditioner in my hair, but I'm gonna go in with some T.G.I.N twist and define cream, and we're gonna put up these rope twists. So get ready. Okay, so I was watching another YouTuber by the name of Janae Mason or Mason. I don't know if it's, people can get fancy, so it's either Mason or Mason. And she did something called rope twist. And since my hair is fairly fresh, I just shampooed it, and I just shampooed my hair, conditioned my hair, have leave-in in my hair, and the only thing I have in my hair is mousse. And so I'm gonna go in and put some rope twist up and let it air dry, and then we're going to take them down together, which I'm excited about. And I practiced, so I know what I'm doing. So we're going to go in with the Thank God It's Natural Twist and Define Cream. And please don't tell me I have to go through something special to open this. Okay, I don't. It's sealed, but it's sealed with the little lid. I go to this one hair store. Oh my God. They tape everything. They tape it all. You gotta put in some work. So all I have to do is apply the cream to my hair. That's all I have to do. And my hair is still fairly damp, but I want to do it on damp hair because I want my hair kind of stretched. I don't want to do it on soaking wet hair. Okay, so let me show you this method. Twist that twist, 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 two strand regular twist at the end. And if you don't see me using the comb on all the ends, because some of the ends are already smoothed out, and that's it. So let's speed up the video. Yeah. so we have the rope twist in, and I must admit they do feel tighter, like the twist actually feels tighter than the regular twist. So we did the LCO method because I used the pomegranate and honey leave-in when I shampooed my hair, and then we used mousse. So the mousse is supposed to be mega moisturizing. So mega moisture and olive oil, and then we use the T.G.I.N cream. So we got the cream and the mousse working on our hair, and not right now. I'm just putting some Aunt Jackie's grapeseed and avocado oil on my twist, and that's the balance. Grapeseed and avocado, and that's by Aunt Jackie, to seal in all that moisture on these twists. And I must admit, these twists do feel like there's a difference. I'll say it like that. There is definitely a difference. They don't feel as loose. They feel like I'm going to get a lot of definition out of it. So, and I did do a flat twist on this one, trying to keep the hair out of my face. And y'all know I don't do nothing with my edges. The only thing I do with my edges is slick them back and slick it up and get it out the way. So I will come back at takedown time once my hair has dried. It could be this evening, but more than likely it's probably gonna be tomorrow. So I'm not door dashing today. So if I do go and door dash, that probably definitely push it till tomorrow, but it would make my hair dry faster because it is hot outside. But I'm trying to take the day off so that I can have more products behind me to keep up, so that I can review these products that are coming out. So if you see these products behind me start to disappear, I mean, I'm using them all. That's the one thing, but I'm trying to replace them with new ones. That's why I'm door dashing. So I will see you guys at takedown. All right, guys, I'm back. My hair is dry. It's the next day. It's time to take the twist down. The rope twist down. I have already went in with my Aunt Jackie's. Got some on my hand. Went in and put it on the twist. And I'm telling you, these twists feel so secure. I don't know, it's just different than the regular smuggler twist. It's different. I guess because you got that extra twist. But I'm taking down the flat twist one first. Definition and shine. You can see the shine. Oh yes. And when you take it down, it ain't as easy as just popping it. You gotta go up to the top and untwist it to get it. Oh, wow. Oh wow. I'ma love this. Oh, I'ma love this. Do you see that? Do you see that definition, that shine? Rope twist T.G.I.N. Rope twist T.G.I.N. Baby. Yes. Let's speed up the video. you see all the definition and the shine. You see it. I mean, it's just there. I haven't even looked at the back of my hair. You know I'm gonna have to do that in a minute. But I'm wondering, I'm just gonna go through and pull a couple of them apart. A couple of them. I'm not into volume. If you know my channel, if you on my channel, you know me. I'm not into volume. I'm into definition. Definition. But some of them can be separated. And those are the ones that I'm choosing to separate. I said it just like that. I said it just like that. Don't know what the back of my hair is looking like, so I don't know if there's any holes, but I know I think it was this one. Don't want to cause no frizz. Don't want to cause no frizz. Where did it go? I can't find it. There's so much definition, I can't find it. I can't find the one that I'm looking for. When I took it down, I was like, okay, this one can be separated. But oh yes. Now you can continue to go through and separate your hair, make it bigger, have volume. You just go through and find one that separates on its own like that. But me, I'm more into that fresh defined look because it's gonna separate and get more volume like on day 2, day 3. So I'm not gonna bother it. Thumbnail. Look at that. Look at that one. And that's from the flat twist. So I think I'm going to stick with this rope twist thing for a while. This may be it. I think this is it. Yeah. I'm going to stick with this rope twist thing for a while. I'm still going to do my regular twist because it is extra work. Putting up the rope twist is extra work. Not that much work, but extra work. When opposed to my twist, I just go and do, and I'm done. And I guess y'all say, well, why you keep separating it? It's because I see so much potential in it. I see so much potential in this. Look at this. It's just so much potential. Yes. Yes. So, you all know how it started. It started with shampoo, leave-in conditioner with Mielle, And then I said, let me try some mousse to do a wash and go. Didn't work for me. Then I said, well, let's do some rope twists. T.G.I.N. Twist and define cream with coconut oil, vitamin E. Why not? For smooth and shiny twist with long-lasting curl definition. No parabens, sulfates, petroleum, lanolin, artificial colors, or animal testing. Yeah, and you see the shine, so they onto something here. And this is a good, thick, creamy consistency. And I got a whole jar of it left. Yes, I'm gonna put that back on the shelf where it goes. Keep God first in everything you do, and I do mean everything. And I'll see you guys at the next video shoot. Yeah, right. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.